Vercel seem to have, they want to introduce their own agentic framework, a framework for building agents that you can deploy presumably on Vercel.
Cmd+AI.
I've gone as far as looking at the documentation. Sorry, it's going to be a bit of a boring read, but essentially it is a directory. This is your agent, and this could, you define your agent, whatever you want it to do. Is it something, well, yeah, you know how flexible an agent could be, right? So, and then you just design, you give it the tools it's able to run, you give it the skills it's able to have access to, sub-agents that it has access to, and it's a folder structure that defines and it's this own encapsulation of an agent, which you can then deploy. So you start writing some code here. You set what the model is. This is the bare minimum that you need. Now, my understanding is presumably this will sit on Vercel once you've deployed it. You just basically give it a task, and it will revolve around a set of instructions. So in this example, you're a senior data analyst. Answer questions about the team's data. Prefer exact numbers. If you can compute it, state assumptions, use tools, and then you just basically get an API that you can just send requests to this agent. And I was confused because it's like, well, what really, like, we've got managed agents with Claude, but what problem is this solving? So you can actually just connect it, let's say in Slack. So this Slack agent will forever, you could have it on Discord. Maybe it's your documentation for your company. Maybe it's, something, but like you can mention this agent or chat chat to this agent, and it's just a specialist in doing that one thing. So imagine these planted throughout your organization, throughout your company, and they are super good at that one thing. And in this instance, what was it? This is get weather. So whenever someone asks the weather, or whenever someone at weatherbot in your Discord, it will just tell you the weather. Obviously, you can think of more clever use cases for it. But yeah, I think it's just a way of getting agents dotted around your organization and providing insights that are relevant specifically to your organization. That's kind of as far as I've got in understanding this. I think I need to dig in and use it. There does seem to be something quite interesting about it, and probably something that especially companies, maybe they just want to standardize a lot of their processes and all the rest of it. I don't know.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.